Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just wanted to show you guys today how to change out the in-cabin air filter on your Toyota Tundra. This is a 2020 model, but it'll work on any model 2007 to 2021. Got one of just a cheap air filter off Amazon. First thing you gotta do is take all this stuff out of your glove box, all your restaurant napkins, fast food napkins, a first aid kit. Then as you can see here, see if I can get the light a little better. There's a little piece here that basically you can just pull up on and it'll come right out. And that's this piece here. Then behind there's a little tab. Let me see if I can get a little better light for you guys. Alright, so I got the light turned on. And then you go to this piece here, which is kind of hard to get out. Basically it'll say to kind of slide it up so you get on either side of it. Trying to just slide it up and out, and there it goes. In mine, well, the first time I took it out, I think I damaged this little part right here, but it doesn't really seem to affect anything. And then behind there's another third piece you got to get out, which is easier. Just uses a little clip on the sides. Tells you what orientation it needs to be. See if we can get it out here. There it goes. And there's your in-cabin air filter. We're gonna get our new one from Amazon over here. Take it out of the box. As you can see, there's kind of a carbon in there. This one doesn't have an up arrow on it, so I'll make sure to look as I take this one out, kind of get an idea which way it needs to be up. This one could just be bi-directional, but let me see if there's anything obvious. Yeah, this one doesn't seem to have a huge difference in terms of which way it goes up or down. So we're going to slide this in here. Looks like it fits pretty good. Put this piece back on. This piece can be, again, troublesome to put on. You have to sort of just get it lined up in there. Might take a second or two. Unclear as why they made it so difficult. So I'll sit here and struggle with this for just a second. And let's see, did we get it on that time? Now it's on pretty solid, but also it's kind of not as good as I want it to be. Let's see if we can use our light here to get an idea of where it clips into. Again, this is always the hardest part of this job, is just getting this piece back on here. I think that's it right there. The only thing I don't like is it just comes off really easy after I do that. So I think I need to get it pushed down. Now it's on there pretty solid. Yeah, so I got that to click in that time. Again, I think you just have to fool around with it for several minutes to get it to work. This piece usually goes in easier. Find the clips on the bottom here. there you go. I hope this was helpful, guys. If you appreciate this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. If you want to know where you buy one of those air filters, I'll put a link down below. I'll catch you all next time.